Hi everyone, hope you all are fine and doing good. Welcome back to my online video classes. This is your Jessica ma'am once again here with a new lesson from your grammar book, that is chapter number 6, and the lesson's name is Kinds of Sentences. Today we are going to learn about four kinds of sentences, that is assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, exclamatory sentences and imperative sentences. What do you mean by assertive sentences? An assertive sentence, or may be called a statement, states a fact of a person or certain thing or habitual action or universal truth, or maybe it's an opinion. It always starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Let's see the examples for the same. Example number 1. Chicken is tastier than fish. It's an opinion. Trees gives us oxygen. It's a fact. Number 3. I brush my teeth every day. It's a habitual action. And number 4. As you sow, you shall reap. It is an universal truth. Do remember one thing, that these assertive sentences may be affirmative, means maybe it's sometimes positive or sometimes negative. Example, she is buying sweets. It's affirmative, means positive. Number 2, she is not buying sweets. It's a negative statement. Let's talk about the second form of the sentence, that is interrogative sentence. What do you mean by an interrogative sentence? It's a sentence which asks you a question. It always ends with a question mark. Now one thing you have to remember is these interrogative sentences are of two kinds, like yes or no questions and WH questions. Now what is this yes or no questions? Yes or no questions are those for which the answer is simply yes or no. Now, the WH questions. What are these WH questions? These are that which expects a detailed answer, and the words what, when, where, why, which, who, whom, whose and how are used to form these WH questions. Let's see the examples of yes or no questions. Number 1 is Tom your brother? Yes or no. Are you fond of singing? You can simply say yes or no. Now when it comes for the example for WH questions, the question is where is Tom going? So it needs a detailed answer. Then you will be answering maybe Tom is going to cinema. The next question is whose book is this? This is Meena's book. So you can find the difference in both the type of questions, that is yes or no questions and WH questions. Let's come to the third form of sentences, that is exclamatory sentences. What do you mean by exclamatory sentences? These are the sentences that express strong or sudden feeling of happiness or sadness or joy or surprise. It ends with an exclamation mark. Let's go with the examples of exclamatory sentences, like how cold it is, what a beautiful weather, so kind of you, such a lovely day it's been. Let's come to the fourth form of the sentence, that is imperative sentence. What do you mean by imperative sentences? An imperative sentence gives an instruction, advice, command, makes a request or an offer. It ends with a full stop or sometimes with an exclamation mark. Let's see the examples. Number 1, you should go to the doctor. It's an advice. Finish the test within an hour. That is a command. Open this box for me, please. That is a request. Have a piece of cake. It's an offer. Let's remember one thing, that we can change one type of sentence to another. First of all, let's talk about assertive to interrogative. In this assertive to interrogative, we can change this in two ways. Number one, when we change a sentence in simple present or simple past tense to the interrogative, we add the verbs do, does, or did in the same tense before the subject and the main verb. Example, Parul exercises for an hour every day. It's an assertive sentence. Now, if you want to make it an interrogative sentence, simply add does Parul exercise for an hour every day. Second way of changing assertive to interrogative is with a helping verb and a main verb to the interrogative, we place the subject between the helping verb and the main verb. That is, Suraj is walking on the pavement. It's an assertive sentence. Now, if you want to change it into an interrogative sentence, you can simply write, is Suraj walking on the pavement? Is your helping verb, Suraj is your subject, and walking is your main verb. So, is Suraj walking on the pavement? Now, the way to change assertive into exclamatory. To change an assertive sentence to an exclamatory sentence, we usually begin with the sentence with what, how, or such. Example, it is a bright day. You can change it as what a bright day it is. Hope you all understood the lesson very well. See you all in our next lesson. Till then, do take care of yourself, be at home and be safe. Thank you.